Hey, welcome to another story behind the car. And check it out. This is a first generation W10 Toyota MR2, or as a friend of mine used to always call him, the Mr. 2. And this one's pretty cool. So it was a mid engine rear wheel drive Toyota made in Japan. And this one is really, really nice, as you see here. So they were made from 1984 to 2007, I think. And the first generation was 84 to 89. And again, rear or mid engine rear wheel drive. And this one has T tops and a 5 speed and really clean looking, great looking wheels and tires, really clean car. And I just was walking by and I thought, man, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. I thought I got to shoot this thing. So you can probably look up a bunch of information on them. Uh, I just remember the Mr. 2 was, I always got a kick out of it because people called it the Mr. 2. But a little two-seater sports car. I think they were pretty quick, pretty light, and had a 4-cylinder engine. And as you can see, this one has a T-tops and very nicely detailed, clean engine bay. Getting to that battery would be a real bear, though, trying to change that battery out. So thanks again for watching.